Healthy. Healthy. Junk. Junk. Junk food. Junk food. A hamburger. A hamburger. French fries. French fries. Fast. Fast. Fast food. Fast food. A restaurant. A restaurant. Healthy. Healthy. Junk. Junk. Junk food. Junk food. A hamburger. A hamburger. French fries. French fries. Fast. Fast. Fast food. Fast food. A restaurant. A restaurant. Are hamburgers healthy? No, hamburgers are not healthy. Are apples healthy? Yes, apples are healthy. Do you like to eat hamburgers for breakfast? I like to eat hamburgers for breakfast. Do you like to eat a lot of French fries before you go to bed? No, I don't like to eat a lot of French fries before I go to bed. Do you like to eat French fries and hamburgers in bed? No, I don't like to eat French fries and hamburgers in bed. Are hamburgers and French fries junk food? Yes, hamburgers and French fries are junk food. Do you eat junk food every day? No, I don't eat junk food every day. Do you like to eat in a restaurant? Yes, I like to eat in a restaurant. Do you go to the restaurant every day? No, I don't go to the restaurant every day. Do you like to go to fast food restaurants? No, I don't like to go to fast food restaurants. Is junk food healthy? No, junk food isn't healthy. Do people eat healthy food in fast food restaurants? No, people don't eat healthy food in fast food restaurants. Do people eat junk food in fast food restaurants? Yes, people eat junk food in fast food restaurants. What food do people eat in fast food restaurants? People eat junk food in fast food restaurants. Are French fries healthy food or junk food? French fries are junk food. Are hamburgers with French fries light dinner? No, hamburgers with French fries aren't light dinner. They are heavy dinner. Do people eat hamburgers with a spoon? No, people don't eat hamburgers with a spoon. Do people eat hamburgers with chopsticks? No, people don't eat hamburgers with chopsticks. Do people eat hamburgers with their hands? Yes, people eat hamburgers with their hands. What do people eat hamburgers with? People eat hamburgers with their hands. What do you eat apple pie with? I eat apple pie with a spoon. Do you like to drink a glass of apple juice with meat pie? Yes, I like to drink a glass of apple juice with meat pie.